Is it the right time to buy or sell the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? Today, we're going to delve into the details of this ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, October 27, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking the video, and turning on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. If you want to enhance your trading decisions, we have a newly launched tool for you. It's the AI Stock Analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. From October 17, 2023, our system has identified SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF as a sell candidate, with a score of -4.15. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -6.34%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.70% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund, ETF, has recently broken its narrow and falling short-term trend. This indicates the possibility of a stronger decline, although false breaks and sell-offs may occur. However, it is likely that there will be further downward movement, and any price rebounds back to the breaking point of $67.57 should be seen as a second chance to exit. It's important to note that according to the fan theory, the new bottom line of the next trend could be at $64.47, but it's still too early to confirm this. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -8.49% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging between -7.58% and -3.33%. Examining the 12-month trend, there is a projected -6.85% change anticipated over the next year. This could result in a potential return ranging between -7.14% and 3.44%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $62.12 to $69.20 after 1 year. Our latest update for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF reveals a red day on Friday, with a loss of 1.88%. The price of SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF dropped by 1.88% on Friday, October 27, 2023, going from $68.18 to $66.90. It has experienced a decline for the past 3 days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 2.09%, ranging from a low of $66.67 to a high of $68.06. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decline of 4.86%. Although volume increased by 3 million shares on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices. This could indicate a potential risk increase over the next few days. In total, approximately $439.65 million worth of shares were bought and sold, amounting to 7 million shares. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $79.49, while the lowest price was $66.67. At present, the price is 15.84% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $12.59. In addition, it is 18.88% lower than the all-time high on January 5, 2022, when the price reached $82.48. Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing the signals identified for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Firstly, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, which indicates a positive trend. However, it's important to note that there are also some negative signals that may impact the short-term development of this ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a sell signal, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. On the upside, we can expect some resistance at the price levels of $68.70 and $70.88. If the stock manages to break above these levels, it will issue buy signals. However, we should also be aware that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 17, 2023, resulting in a decline of -6.34% so far. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator shows a sell signal 9 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator shows a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicator shows a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator shows a buy signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short-term moving average indicator shows a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator shows a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. It's important to note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if certain conditions are met, the ETF may perform poorly in the next few days. However, overall, this ETF tends to have controlled movements and is considered to have low risk due to its good liquidity. Looking at recent data, the ETF had a $1.40 price difference between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which is equivalent to a 2.09% change. On average, over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily volatility of 1.2%. Today, let's analyze the day trading levels for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. If the stock is moving upwards, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $71.43. If you're considering entering a position, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level. For those who already own shares, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. However, it's important to note that there isn't strong support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could experience a sharp drop. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. Unfortunately, we have to give this ETF a negative evaluation. It's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF a good buy? The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF holds several negative signals and is currently in a falling trend. Therefore, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this ETF. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, October 30th, we expect the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF to open up $0.308 and start trading at $67.21. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading involves a high risk of losing money. Therefore, we strongly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts too, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for tuning in.